Hi guys, mag-squishyhan kami ngayon. Tara na, dito kami sa Ayala Mall. There's squishyhan too. There's squishies, but there's still more there. Nice squishy. But the price was super high, so we didn't buy it. But we're looking for another store who has squishies. Oh my god. Banana. Well, they need those. So we're buying 4 squishies. So cute and small. I got 3 squishies. Buying squishy and
Like non-rare to rarest.
So I'm back that. First is this chocolate squishy. Gonna open it. Open na nice. Peanut
Disgusting sound, but 7 out of 10.
I hope this is not a Tana squishy because it says tomato. I don't think this need is strawberry. Can you please open? Oh my god! Girl, look at this!
It's a top.
Manang.
5 out of 10.
Are you seeing all of these videos? There's Mr. Dumpling. I want the Mr. Dumpling. Okay. Let's go open that. No problem. Yay! It's a sugar capsule. The face is so cute. What's I hope you get the rare gold. Open it.
I'm gonna rate this 9 out of 10 because it's so tight. So bye guys.
So 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
I got